Hello guys, hello everyone, this is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle. Today I will try to analyze a new platform, brand new. I just found out about it. It's called Community Staking Experiment, not platform like all the other clones of DSP. And we'll try to analyze it to see if it's worth trying. Alright, so what I like about this is it's not the exact clone. Yeah, they change a lot, they change the design, so I mean it looks better. So what they say is the idea is simple way as the community want things that pay out and don't scam. Community staking experiment exists to show the wonders of what community can do behind a great platform. As a parent, you always want your children to do better than you, so we have taken cues from our platform parents, Hex, T2X, DSP, and our little brother GXY, and are offering to everyone the opportunity to take advantage of what we felt like could be the biggest opportunities in crypto. Join the experiment today. So, what makes C.S.E different from the other platforms? We can observe clone wars, Dapp wars right now. So, it will be difficult to choose the best one. We will see how it works. So, a few things set us apart from our co-platform friends. So, community-minded platform driven by you. Founder is Bitcoin Brown and two screened devs. You can message us on Telegram, and we have all been in crypto for years, made money and lost tons just like everyone else. We got tired of being scammed and looking at poorly done websites and contracts, so we made this better for the community. I don't know about this Bitcoin Brown, but supposedly the guy is well known in the space. I didn't have time to analyze this. I just wanted to show this as fast as possible. So 98% daily divs payouts with only 2% platform commission. So it's much more than in the other platforms. Yes, we invested in SSL, Amazon Web Service, Cloudflare protection. Yes, although we borrowed a clone, we changed all elements of website including font, colors, layout, made it friendly for mobile user, just to name a few. 10% referral bonus. Join with someone link, get 10% more. So if you join with my link, you will get 10% more. Usually get 5% more, so this is even better. 100-day max stakes, so the more shares, the more TRX, but careful, if you unstake early, you kill your tokens that will be needed for our first Dapp releasing within 2 weeks of launch. And this is the main thing that got my attention, because if they have plans for other apps and they will make this token useful, this can be interesting. So marketing, contests, and giveaways. The first C.S.E token Usecase Dapp charge is already finished and will be in testing and launch within 10 days of staking launch, so C.S.E tokens will be crucial. That can be a game changer, but we will see. Only 900k founder pre-mine. You can also share the profits from the first 2 days below. Half will be reinvested. Founder days, 15% split plus reinvest. Unlike our co-platform friends, the first day of the auction lobby, 50% of the closed amount will be reinvested into the platform. Example, if the lobby closes and 10 million TRX, 5 million will be automatically put back into the next day. Daily 2.5 million token auction lobby. Alright, I will also show you a Telegram, because I found a few interesting things here, like contests for YouTubers. The community will choose the best review, and the winners would be awarded. So this is nice. Might attract some YouTubers. Also the founder days. So the first 2 days of C.S.E contract, the auction lobby devs pools will be split 50% to the founders and 50% will be reinvested. You can join the founder team for the first 2 days with a 100k TRX buy-in either day and split the pot with the other two C.S.E founders. For example, if 3 people choose to do this and the auction lobby closes at 5 million TRX, 2,250,000 TRX, so 2,250,000 TRX will be split 5 ways, giving each founder 450,000 TRX. So, this was done to attract the whales. You can check the Telegram. it's growing slowly because it got just released. There's the Bitcoin Brown, who's an admin. He looks like a cool guy. I don't know. He seems committed, but we will see. We'll look closely into it. So you can go to Telegram, you can go to Twitter. They even have YouTube. No, they don't have YouTube yet. So if we go to auction, we will see that the auction. Oh yeah, the staking platform will launch in 8 hours 41 minutes. So we'll still have some time to before it starts to spread the word. Because the community is the most important factor in a platform like this. If we compare it to, let's see the auctions of the other platforms. So GXY, very poor day, only 200,000 on the auction. DSP, 244,000. TRX, T2X, 285k. So it seems that people are coming back to T2X. Some people, because it's the most, stable. I don't know if stable is a good word, because the price got down and everything. I've been here for quite some time, and it doesn't pay much, but it's the longest working platform. So people will eventually may come back, right? But that depends, because we can observe the clone wars right now. So who knows what will happen. So if we go to staking, it basically looks very similar, but they change the colors, they change the fonts. So we will see about if this can work. Let's see frequented asked questions. Oh, this is the same. Oh, the founder day is also mentioned here. You can become a founder on day 1, on day 2. You need to send an email and Telegram message to confirm your buy-in. Explain staking. Blah blah blah. Is there a bonus for staking? Yeah, give bonus rewards for your stake based on the amount and time that you are staking. Auction lobby C.S.E. How much does the lobby pay? Lobby's pool will start with 3 million C.S.E. per day and goes 200k until 1 million over the next 365 days, but never goes lower than 1 million tokens per day. Should I buy tokens from the lobby? There has some problem with the site. So I don't know what to think about it. Let's see the contract, because it is not yet audited. As you can see, it's just it's freshly started today, so we cannot really see a lot here, but we can see that the contract is verified. You can look at the code. Yeah, I don't know the code, so I can only look at the other platforms and see if things match. But I think that it might be good because mainly because they plan to release the other Dapp that will use the tokens. So there is use case for the tokens. I think that might be crucial, like they say. And the founder day split, we'll see if the admin will keep up his word, because that will also be crucial. So I won't go heavy in the first day, I guess. I will snipe it. I will wait until the end and decide if I go in with how much, because I think I will go in. There's also other platform, but I will do another video for the moon staking. There has been already 1 day that this launched, and also it's very interesting, but I won't talk much about it. We'll just check how much, because we already had first day. As we can see, it had over 700,000 TRON, so it was to some extent successful, but this will be on the other video. So we have 2 more clones of DSP, but these 2 platforms they look like they made things better. Maybe these are like better ones that DSP, which had some problems. GXY also had some problems, so I'm looking forward to it. That's it, guys. This is a short video about it. I will do more update videos soon. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not my subscriber yet. You will get notification. Join my Telegram, where I will put notifications even before I do a video. So it's worth joining. These are new channels, so don't expect too much action there. But I'm building it, so it will grow in time. Thank you, and let's meet in the other video, right? I will soon do the other video about the Moon platform, and we'll see if it works out. Thank you. Bye.